Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Google form in Weebly. Weebly makes it easy to add a Google form into your website, allowing visitors to submit information without leaving your page. Follow these steps to integrate a Google form into your Weebly site. Now the first step is to create and copy your Google Forms embed code. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com or workspace.product/forms, as you can see here, and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Once you logged in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, you can either select an already existing form or create a new one. You can create a new one by going to the Start a New Form section and click on the blank form, or you can choose a template from the available templates here. As you can see, I'm just gonna click on blank form. Now the second step is to create the form. Then to do that, just add the title for the form. You can also add a description describing the form and details about the purpose of the form. And in this section, you're gonna add the areas and for questions, etc. Now, after you finish modifying, you're gonna click on publish and click again on publish. Now, the third step is to click on the three dots menu on the top right corner, as you can see here, and go to the embed HTML options and click on it. Now this pop-up menu will appear showing your iframe code and the width and the height, which is modifiable. You can modify it, and after you do that, make sure you click on the copy button to copy the iframe code into your clipboard. As you can see, it's copied in the clipboard. Now, the third step is to open Weebly and edit your website. And to do that, just go to weebly.com and open your site editor. After that, make sure you log in using your credentials. Once you log in, choose the page where you want the form to appear. As for the fourth step, add an embed code element. And you can do that by dragging and dropping the embed code element into your page and click inside the box and paste the copied Google form iframe code. As for the fourth step is to adjust the form size and publish. And you can do that by resizing the embed code to fit the form properly. And after that, click on publish and check if the form is displaying correctly. And that's it for today's tutorial. Your Google form is now embedded in Weebly, ready for visitors to fill out. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.